What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Jumpman Diamond Mid Black White Racer Pink. Without further ado, let's take a look at these sneakers and let's see what it looks like. Let me give you a 360 of these sneakers real quick, alright guys? Show you the bottom of the sneaker. Let me show you the top of the sneaker. Now guys, this is one of those sneakers that was designed by Tinker Hatfield, okay? And it's actually written on the midsole, okay? Jordan Performance by Tinker Hatfield. As you can see, it has very, very chunky heels, all right? At the front bottom of your feet, or the way your feet are, is flat. At the same time, it's give you a good balance, because when you put the sneakers on your hand like that, it's flat. You know, you understand what I'm saying? So give you a lot of comfort on the back, but at the same time giving you balance under the entire sneakers will give you a good balance. You understand what I'm saying? That's what I noticed about these sneakers. You can see the Jordan sign right there, Jumpman sign. You got the red tab in the back. Okay, hold on to your shoe while you're pulling your feet in. Comes with black laces. Jumpman sign on the tongue, okay, and also Jumpman sign on the back. Now you just take a look at the bottom of the sneakers, you'll see the white Jumpman sign also. Okay, it's got pattern inside for the ankles. All right, it is a different type of sneaker. This right here go for about 100 retail. I give it a 6 out of 10. They are on court kicks. I don't really like rocking on court kicks on a regular day, but if I was playing ball, this would be something I'll pick out to play ball in. You know what I'm saying? It's not that bad. If you're looking for that quick response, speed, you know what I mean? Everybody's foot is different, and because of the way the sneakers are designed, you know, your performance is based on sometimes on what type of shoe you're wearing. And because the way this is designed, you might get a better performance out of it. You know, I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, please click that like button, click that subscribe button, share my video. Thank you all for watching my video. And if you're looking for an outfit to match these sneakers with, okay, these shirt right here and this hat right here, I copped it from ASOS. Okay, so I've left the link in the description area below my video. All you have to do is just scroll down, click on the link. Thank you again for watching my video, and until next time, maybe you might have these on. Maybe you might not. Who knows? One of these.